So today we're going to be looking at Coinbase's IPO and whether or not you should be investing into Coinbase for today. We are expected to see a lot of volatility when it's in its stock price because initially the target price for Coinbase's IPO was set at around $250, but that price will be reserved for very early investors. And as soon as it hits the market, I am very, very sure that this price will easily exceed or even start off at around $500, and which depending on what how you find the Coinbase could be very good or could be very bad, and depending on how quick the stock will bounce up and down. But I think the first few trading days for Coinbase will be very positive because the price of Bitcoin is also going up, and and Coinbase as a company is very, very strong. There are things that we have to look into, um, which will be the revenue model, because a lot of new platforms are offering zero transaction fees, whereas Coinbase continues to still have some transaction fees regarding Bitcoin. And but they have so many products in their model that even if they're to remove transaction fees, they can still be doing very, very well throughout the year. Let's go ahead and see if there's any what latest articles there are regarding Coinbase and its IPO. Let's just start off with FX Street. The crypto sector has been one of the most revolutionary developments to financial markets this century as Bitcoin steadily inserts itself into the mainstream. Bitcoin has split investors' opinions. Mixed. Coinbase will trade under the ticker coin on the Nasdaq. The listing price is set at $250. Coinbase is said to have a 261.3 million shares outstanding when it goes public, giving it a capitalization of around $68 billion. It's a steep rise from private fundraising undertaking. This fundraising value Coinbase at around $8 billion. Clearly, valuations are underlying value of Bitcoin. Coinbase just made known in its documents with the SEC and private transactions between year shares in coin were trading at an average of $343. So this was in their SEC filing. So that's also a very inflated price already, and this is even before it even hitting the Nasdaq. It will be trading under COIN, and as Bitcoin keeps going up in value, we can expect Coinbase to follow that sort of trend also in its stock price. So I think the next coming days will be very interesting to see how high not only Coinbase but Bitcoin will also go, just because of this public offering that Coinbase is doing. Very conservative valuation based on futures contracts that are made in Germany on the coin price. Highly liquid, but have been trading at valuation as high as $130 billion. So Goldman Sachs is the lead investment bank handling the direct listing for coin. They're the ones who have gone out to put a $250 reference price. So it'll be interesting to see. I think straight away it will bounce off of this 250 and boom, just go straight to the moon. We're looking at prices at around $500. Like we'll be keeping an eye of it as soon as the market opens, because I am interested in opening a position with Coinbase just because of how much growth potential there is within the stock. But for me, I have to also look at the best entry point, and that's what I try to explain in these videos. So as soon as we start getting some data, we'll do some nice chart for coin to just see what sort of entry points we can find. Obviously, anything close to that $250 mark would be a amazing buy-in for Coinbase. Even Bitcoin has gone up ahead of the Coinbase IPO. So I think both of these will play off together. Everything is sort of trending. Uh, as you can see, Coinbase on Twitter, uh, all the hype is today around Coinbase. So you'll be seeing a lot of action, a lot of day traders. Everyone is going to be getting into this trade. Um, so you'll find all sorts of investors for coin. You know, you're going to be finding the scalpers, the day traders, the swing traders, people who are looking to open up a very long position in coin. So it just depends on your trading strategy and what sort of price we can find an entry. And anything close to $250 will be an amazing entry for today's trading day. And then we can reevaluate our thesis for later on, just to see how we're moving forward with Coinbase. So let's see what happens in today's trading day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for any companies you want me to review or analyze. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.